Why you gotta be so awkward about it?
Damn, what's up, man? What you got going on this morning?
Headed to, where are we going? We're going to Groomers first, man. Damn.
Groomers? We're going to Groomers for this guy right here.
We're supposed to be going to get a hoist, man,
right?
but we're with the dog, so.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's that family problem,
yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Family life.
Family comes first.
That's right, that's right. But, nah, we're gonna go pick up a hoist, hopefully, in a little while here, and that's if they have one available, right? Because.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, alright.
You can even use a seatbelt if you want.
There you go. It is not a lovely day today, unfortunately.
It's raining.
It's raining outside.
It's a little cold.
A little cold.
Or fresh.
And we got Ray-Ban with us. She got Ray-Ban. Menudo reporting live.
That's our engine hoist. Right there.
He's right here. We just picked up our engine hoist. He's gonna get that engine out for us.
That's it, man.
That way we can rebuild it, because we don't know nothing about rebuilding engines.
And that whole block he's gonna lift, man.
He's gonna lift it by himself. We're gonna make him do it. He's gonna do it for us.
What you think, Manuel?
Menudo,
It's too early.
are we way in way above our heads?
Yes.
Confirm that for us.
Very.
Very. But it's like I told Preemskis here. When we're not in way over our heads, are we really learning anything? Are we really trying?
True that, man.
Menudo's gonna be a full-blown mechanic by the end of the day. Hey, is there a bolt missing from over here?
I think I took that one off.
Did you? I don't think so, man.
Oh.
It should be the same as the other one.
Oh, yeah, I only took off 1, 2, 3. No, I took off 4.
Okay.
Take out these lines, man. What happened to this after all?
We gotta take those off still. Well, she's out, right? Hell yeah. We got it. Here we go.
It's not under the thing, dude.
Dog, he's got like some RTV silicone up in. I don't know what he did. Here, let me help you hold it. Hold on. Hold it right there.
I got it.
Oh, shoot. We're professionals, I promise. Okay.
This is just for the show, man.
This is just for the show, yeah. We're just trying to create a dramatic effect.
Kind of keep the suspense going in case the engine falls or something, you know? Metallic flakes everywhere, man.
Is there?
It's not gonna reach it. Move the tire more over here.
Hold on, let it drain up.
Got the oil draining now.
What?
The bolt.
Take the filter off.
Yep.
And then we'll take that torque converter off.
Some of the metallic flakes in there, man.
Is that what that is or what? Metallic
I think
flakes?
so, man. I'm not too sure.
It's something.
Straighten that.
It ain't normal, that's for sure.
It's alright, we'll figure it out.
Oh, it is metallic flakes. You can see like the... Here we go.
Cool. Alright, take it, Mundo.
Let's go. Mundo. Another nickname. Menudo, Mundo. Water, dog.
Yeah. See, water pump working or?
Oh yeah, it's kicking in. It works.
Looks like some tape or something. I don't even think it's a leaf.
That's it's tape.
I don't know. What
Looks like that's full blown.
Like tape.
I was up in the oil pan just chilling. Yep. Dude, is it? What is it?
I think it looked like.
It looks like plastic, kind of. That's probably what was making noise. This is how we figure it out. You just try one wrench at a time until you get the right one.
You can recycle oil,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
so you just throw it in the recycling bin.
No.
See your local auto zone.
I only got one problem with those stores, man.
What's up?
How you gonna rent tools but not have an engine hoist available for somebody that still wants to pull an engine?
That's truth right there,
Come on,
brother.
man.
These stores claim themselves as DIY and they don't got no engine hoist. Come on, man. But I guess you know what? Maybe the average DIYer doesn't pull out engines. 1316. Dude, we done lost all our tools already.
Oh, man.
We done. Oh, you know what? It might be up here. Did it go?
That's it, but
What's up?
we need to find a way to hold the crank in order for it not to move.
Oh, here. Let me.
Can you hold it with something on your side?
Yeah. Let me.
Did somebody replace the torque converter though? Because look, there's numbers on it.
Oh yeah.
Somebody has been in here.
Well, that's probably when he rebuilt the transmission. My uncle. Ain't borrow one of your extensions.
Still moving.
Is it? Yeah, this ain't moving up here.
Huh?
This ain't moving up here.
There's a way to lock it in. Yeah, look at the book, man.
Alright.
What's wrong, man? You got the suds again or what?
Yo, we made a giant mistake. We forgot to take off the torque converter bolts before we actually started pulling the engine. So we got the engine out, we pulled off the transmission, no problem. Lo and behold, the torque converter stayed on, the, what is it, a flywheel or flex plate? What's the difference? It's a flywheel?
Yeah.
Stayed on the flywheel. So we're like, yeah, cool, no problem. We'll just remove this bolt, no problem. No, simple. Get a, box wrench. Nope. Ended up stripping one of the torque converter bolts. I'm toast. I don't know if he's toast, but I'm just straight up toast. So we had to take a little break and we came to our local AutoZone and got ourselves a bolt extractor set here. And I hope that it's gonna get this bolt off because I'm about ready to just take a nap.
Or we just buy a reman.
Or we just buy a reman because we couldn't get a torque converter bolt out. We're just gonna buy a remanufactured engine.
For you DIYs, man,
Yeah,
it's alright. It's alright.
This is the process of learning, I guess. Making a giant mistake and then messing up.
Take the bolts off before you take the transmission off. That's the key.
Yeah.
While the flywheel is connected to the transmission, take the bolts off first. That's it.
Let it be said here first that we probably will never make this mistake ever again. Hopefully not. But I guess we're gonna get back and take the bolts to the oil pan off, remove that. That way we can get one of these extractor sockets in there, and hopefully it'll
What time is it?
remove that bolt. It's 1:49. Oh, that's the time from the. That's the time we've been recording. All right, so I guess this is the end of day one, huh? We got a torque converter bolt stuck. Couldn't get it out. Tried the extractor set. Still didn't want to come out. It's getting late already. Even though it's a bunch of daylight outside. Oh well. Just drop it for now and
Put some heat on it later.
put some heat on it later, yeah. Try to get it out. That's it for now. First engine pulled from a truck.
Good day anyways.
Yep. Guess until next time.